Meron ng bagong hari ng underbone. Ito na yon. Meron tayong dalawang Raider variant mga brother. Itong nasa harap ko ngayon, this is the Suzuki Raider Pro. Nasa kabila naman, this is the Suzuki Blade version. Pero bago yan, SRP for this one is 130,000 sarado. So this is still typically your Raider FI, yung previous generation natin. Ang pinagkaiba, meron na tong winglet dito, so dagdag angas yan. Tapos yung signal light naka-protrude na dito. Bukod sa looks na yan, practically sa forma, it's still the same Raider. Pero wag ka. Ang dinagdag nila dito, that key to unlocking the power of the Raider is again, the skipper clutch. So meron na tong skipper clutch. Again, that aids us in terms of smoothly transitioning from gear to gear. Mas mamaximize natin yung power ng Raider. Yon ang meron sa Suzuki Raider Blade version. Again, 130K ang SRP na to. The other one, Suzuki Raider Pro, the SRP is 146,400. Yung Suzuki Raider ngayon, mas pinaangas na yung looks. Makikita nyo naman, the headlight is more boxier. Hindi katulad yung mga nakagawian natin na curvy, aggressive. So updated na yung looks niya. Tapos yung signal light na rin natin, ito na. Protruding na siya. Obvious talaga, makikita mo talaga for the headlight. But primarily, when it comes to the looks, pagdating sa gilid, pag side view, makikita